17th of January 2017 and we're in Italy, coming down off the Apennine Mountains. The lay-by that we'd pulled into, hoping that the snow would pass over, ended up having 47 centimetres of snow in it when we got up in the morning. 49 centimetres in the drifts. A snow plough came along and ploughed the snow away from in front of the van, so we were able to get out with the snow chains. One of the snow chains is now broken, so we've had to take it off. This is the only road that we can take down off the mountain. The sat-nav's directing us a different, quicker way, but this is the only road that's been cleared.
This is cleared.
Yeah. We were going to visit some mountain caves and go on a scenic mountain drive, but now we're heading back down to the coast in the hope that it'll be clear. This is the thickest snow I've ever seen.
It's certainly the worst snow I've ever driven in.
We're keeping our fingers crossed we'll get back down safely.